Hello, I'm Prachi. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap your baby in a ring sling. So ring sling is basically a piece of cloth with two rings on one side. So just to understand the basics and the terminology, these are the rings, top ring and bottom ring, and whatever remains is the tail. So to start with, ring slings can be worn for babies from newborn to toddler age 15 kgs. Ring slings are really good for quick ups and downs. So if you are visiting so maybe you are shopping or going to a restaurant or you are going for a function, ring slings can be very handy. So to start with, you place the rings on the shoulder opposite to the side on which you want to keep the baby. So now I want to wear my baby to my left. So I am starting with the rings on my right shoulder high. Now without twisting the fabric, just take it in the front. Gather the fabric nicely and put it inside both the rings like this. Pull and then lift one ring and take it below the other ring and give a pull. Now you just pull all the strands together so that you just have a small pocket with you. Pull nicely, strand by strand. Now start with your rings high on shoulder, and now you can grab your baby. With placing the baby on the shoulder, you slide the legs into the pocket. Yes, what happened? What you want? Whatever you want. Very good. Now, you have to create a good seat by pulling the fabric, pulling the bottom rail in between the two legs of the baby. Now, you just spread the top rail over the shoulder, and now just tighten the rings strand by strand. How much to tighten is basically till you feel that yes, you are nice and comfortable and hands free. So that's it. If you want, you can just give a slight pull on the top rail. Now just give a little bounce and spread the shoulder so that the weight is nicely distributed over your back. That's it. So you're ready to go. If you don't want this tail to be hanging, you can just grab it and just tie around the ring so that the ring also doesn't hurt the baby. The other thing what you can do for the tail, instead of wrapping around the ring, you can just take it below the leg and tuck it under the bum of the baby. So whenever you want to tighten it, you can just quickly remove and tighten the rails. So that's it, nice and comfortable. If you want to loosen, you just have to have the tail handy with you. Pull the upper ring, that's it, and it's loosened. If you want to tighten, just pull it, tighten it. Hair band. So the baby is nice, the legs are in M position, the baby is comfortable. And if you want to nurse in the ring sling, you just have to lower the height of the ring sling and then tighten it. So it's easy to nurse. When you are done, you just support the bum with one hand, take it taller Again adjust the rings. Tighten them strand by strand so that the baby is snug from all the sides. Hairband. You want to put it? Yay. Say bye bye to. Say bye bye. So that's it. And if you don't like the opposite side of the sling to be visible, you can just slightly take this ring up and slide this fabric like this so that you have a nice design visible. Hope you find this useful. For more updates on baby wearing, you can visit our page Snugpa. Happy baby wearing. Say bye. Say bye. Yes. Bye.